What's up YouTube? VST here with Mistake. I have my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra running the Exynos 2200 and the Xiaomi 13 with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen chip. In front I have an iPad. The scenario is the following. A YouTube video is running. Here I have an iPhone 14 that I'm going to use as a stopwatch. But the main question is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to shoot 100 pictures with both phones, see how it goes, see which phone can do it, and of course try to take some time readings. So, set the scene, done, and without any further ado guys, let's start. Okay, stop. 20 seconds were just enough to shoot some pics, and I had the feeling, just from what I see, that the Xiaomi 13 was able to snap more pictures. Now, let's just see if this is the reality. So, I'm gonna open the gallery and we will be able to compare the results. Wow. For these first 21 seconds, guys, I thought I made 100 pictures, but indeed I was able to shoot 79 pics on my Xiaomi 13 and only 35 pictures using the S22 Ultra. And yes, I'm not using right now the 108 megapixel resolution, so it's just going to be really like the standard shootout. But you know what? Let me just delete those one, and I'm gonna of course go for a second round. Alright, so this time guys, I'm gonna do the following. I'm going to use 30 seconds and try to shoot as much as I can on the S22 Ultra, and then do the same on the Xiaomi 13, not in parallel, just to be sure that I'm doing it right. So, alright, let's start. Yeah, I know it looks easy, but it's not. And if I press it a bit too hard, guys, I'm gonna take a video, so I have to be really very consistent in what I'm doing. Okay, 16 seconds passed. All right, 9 more to go. Okay, 5 more to go. 2, 1, and stop. Okay. Whew. All right, guys, now let me do the same with the Xiaomi 13. $15 seconds. 18 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right. Let's now count the pictures. And Jesus, from only what I see on the screen, I can already tell. But okay. How many pictures was I able to shoot for 30 seconds on my S22 Ultra? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 59 pictures for 30 seconds. Now let's just see how much the Xiaomi 13 was able to score. Alright guys, 59 pictures for 30 seconds. Here we have 175. I think it's just obvious. This was my shutter speed test between the Xiaomi 13 and the S22 Ultra. Hope you liked the video, enjoyed guys. Support the channel if that's the case. Stay safe. See you. BSD over and bye.